Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin. You can call me Caitlin or Kate or Katie. That's what I usually go by. This picture is of me and my husband on our wedding day 11 years ago. Actually, 11 years and 2 weeks ago, if you want to be precise. That's the Oakland Temple back there, and yes, it was raining. Actually, that's an understatement. It was pouring. But it was a wonderful day, and it was the start of something great, let me tell you. My hometown is Gilroy, California, garlic capital of the world. It's also very not well known. It's the southern tip of Silicon Valley, if you're curious. My husband and I moved from California up to Idaho. We moved multiple times. We moved from state to state 9 times, but we somehow always keep ending up back in Idaho. So we'll just call this our home base for now. This is my daughter and son with us, obviously. My daughter just turned 10, and my son just turned 8. We actually have a lovely week in April where we have 2 birthdays and an anniversary in the immediate family, and then we get to include 3 more birthdays and usually tax day in that week. So we just have fun times in April, let me tell you. I'm really hoping that this class will help me on my path to wherever the Lord wants me to be. Right now, I'm looking to become a high school art teacher, but I might switch and become a high school guidance counselor because that's something I've been very interested in. I guess I'll just find out how hard this class is and we'll go from there, right? Psychology is not easy for me, but I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too. It's a little intimidating, but I think we can do it. A little bit more about me and my family. We're very close. I'm close with my siblings. I'm close with my parents. I'm close with my aunts and uncles and cousins. And I'm just hoping that I get the happily ever after. I get to walk off in the sunset like those cool movies. And that this class really helps me get there. Thanks all for listening.